Did the ground just hum? The earth rarely trembles without reason.
Stay aware.
The water is changing. This glow is not natural.
It carries no shadow signature.
Okay, that's definitely magic. The sky does not recognize this energy.
Then it is something new.
The light is coming from below.
It's not reflecting, it's generating.
Something is rising.
Okay, glowing water dust is new. Energy is separating from its source.
This carries no shadow trace and no storm signature.
The particles are organizing.
Energy seeks structure. Stay ready.
The particles are organizing into structure. Energy seeks form when awakening.
Everyone, stay steady.
It's forming a column of light.
This is deliberate.
The sky will respond.
It's piercing the sky.
This energy is intentional.
The heavens are being touched.
Did we just open something?
The atmospheric barrier is reacting.
Then we stand ready.
This is structured cosmic power.
It was sealed and now awakened. Guardians formation.
Please don't.
Guardians of balance, you stand at the threshold.
It speaks.
We are listening.
I was sealed beyond your sky.
Sealed by whom?
This power predates storms.
Okay, ancient cosmic thing talking normal jungle day.
I was sealed to prevent imbalance. Imbalance of what? Show yourself.
I am the celestial core, the source of the light, ancient beyond the storm.
So, giant glowing space being. Got it.
I return not as conqueror, but as correction. Correction of what? The balance? The universe shifts. The balance of this world is unstable.
Unstable how?
This forest stands in harmony.
Your world drifts toward collapse.
Evidence? We have restored this stream. Restoration delays, not prevents.
I don't like that sentence.
These are futures. Possible outcomes.
You show us fear. I show probability. To prevent collapse, correction must begin.
What kind of correction?
Define your intention. This world must evolve.
Evolve into what?
Nature grows by harmony, not force.
I vote for no cosmic redesign. It stopped the water! Control over matter.
Power beyond natural law. Power does not grant permission.
I do not seek destruction.
Then seek understanding.
Balance can be protected together.
Together?
Correction phase initiated.
Wait.
They're growing too fast.
Growth without rhythm disrupts balance.
This is forced evolution. Acceleration prevents decay.
Why is the wind lagging? Time itself is being stretched.
This is not balance.
The river's rhythm is changing. Day and night cycles are overlapping.
This recalibration affects multiple systems.
Stop this.
Correction cannot be halted mid-process.
The smaller plants can't breathe.
Excess in one area creates deficit in another.
The ground is splitting. Structural stress increasing.
The river is changing course.
This ends now.
Correction requires tolerance.
Balance is not built by force.
Force ensures survival. Survival without harmony becomes dominance.
Your world trends toward extinction. Prediction is not destiny.
Adaptation requires choice.
Correction without consent is control.
Correction must continue.
It's getting stronger.
Stability is fracturing.
We must protect the rhythm.
We anchor the balance.
Guardians, hold your ground.
The storm stands with you. Collective resonance detected. Unity stabilizes imbalance.
Your harmony disrupts calculated correction.
Correction without listening causes fracture. Balance is dialogue. The storm does not destroy the sky, it clears it.
Then listen.
My calculations predicted collapse. Calculation measures outcome, not spirit. We are not perfect, but we grow.
If harmony exists, why was imbalance rising?
Because change is constant.
Imbalance teaches adaptation. Your harmony compensates instability.
Harmony is never static.
We protect balance together.
Then my role is observation, not control.
Balance acknowledged. So we passed?
Not a test, a misunderstanding.
The forest breathes again.
And we continue protecting it. Balance is living.